Hi guys, this is Ali from TechRat TV. Today we're going to do a small tutorial regarding taking a screenshot on MacBook. So all of you guys who are using Mac, there is a built-in function in which way you can actually take a screenshot of the whole screen, or you can take a specific area that you want the picture to be. So to begin with, we'll start with the whole screenshot. All you need to do is press Shift, the Command key, and then the numeric 3 key, which is basically the hash key. So when you click it, you're going to hear a sound of a picture being taken, and on the right hand side you'll see on your desktop the image will be saved. So I'm just going to press the key. So you can see the third image here coming in. So I'm just going to double click and open it. So you see here the whole full screen screenshot has been taken with the mouse in it. Now I'm just going to close it. I'm going to remove both the images. Alright, now the second part is, for example, if I want to take a specific area screenshot, all you need to do is press Shift, Command key, and the numeric letter 4, which is the $sign. So I'm just going to press it. You'll see the cursor has been changed to a crosshair. So for example, if I want to take a screenshot of this letter T, so all I'll do is select that area with my mouse pressed. The moment I'll release the mouse, it'll take a screenshot, and you'll see the image on the top right corner. Here it is. So when I'll open it up, you can see the image has been opened on that. Furthermore, see our next tutorial how you can actually edit it with the Mac software. If you want to put a circle around it, or if you want to put a text into it, you don't need a specialized software for that. You can actually use the built-in Mac software. Taking again just a quick revision, if you want the full screen, you just press Shift, Command, and hash, and you'll see the whole full screen screenshot of your screen. I hope this was very clear. It was a very short tutorial for those of you, because when I started Mac I had these small issues and small problems, so we actually wanted to let you guys know how to work it out. You can subscribe to our channel to keep getting these fantastic tutorials, small issues that people get nagged about. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website, that is www.techrat.com.au, and you can like our blog, follow our blog there, comment about it. You can comment in the section below as well about the tutorial if it's been helpful, and what other tutorials you're looking forward to. This is your host Ali from TechRat TV. For next time, take care.